Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here's part 2 doing the other leg. We've actually had to use this massive impact gun and hit it quite hard, the bolt to get it out. Now that obviously wants replacing. This obviously was up to here. Okay, so what we're going to do is take it on, fish the circuit back, find the end of it, like that. Or even that one actually. Okay, take the circlip out. You can see that actually. So we take the circlip out. Now technically we should be able, yeah, that one actually came apart properly. Remember the way these go on. Do that just to be sure. If you're not sure, this bit comes off once cleaning up. There's your leg. Check the leg is good. Yeah, these are all pretty worn. Not sure why. They've all got stories of some description in them. Which is a bit shit. Okay. Also, do like before, take the end off. So we're going to move this out of the way. Put this on here. Spin this. Okay, that's now come out. Obviously this stops you getting injured, well, that's the theory. That's your end. Put it aside. This is your spacer. Put that on top of that. Then we're going to clean this up. Because obviously you want to reuse this. So a bit, these will actually save you a hell of a lot of money in aerosols once you've had one. See how powerful that is? That's spotless. Put that away. What we're going to do, put our old casserole dish or whatever the hell this thing was on here. Pull the spring out. Chuck that in there. Damper rod comes out. Okay. Given these legs are pretty knackered, I don't even know if we're going to reuse them. Clean this up. If you've got one, use an airline to clean it as well. Put it aside. The leg, judging by the last few, was horrendous. Look at that shitty oil coming out. So we're going to clean in here. See the colour of that crappy oil. Now to clean the bottom, I'm going to use this tool I made. It's just a piece of welding rod, nothing more, with a cheap brush on the end. These brushes. Gunge in the bottom. See the colour of the shit on there. Okay. Out of the way. Glass down here. You really can see all this dingy shite, for want of a better phrase. can see they've also used a hell of a lot of sealer on these things. These are actually soft tail forks, not you can see in there, but still quite a bit of shit in there. You can see in there, I think a lot of that sealer. Again, if we put this brush in here, then we get all that shit out. When we blast it this time, actually move, so what I'm going to do, grab the airline. Okay, and we're going to blow. Right, you can see that has got all the shit out. Okay, that's ready to go. So we're ready to rebuild it. The fork tube needs a good looking at, see if it's hacking or not. We shall have a look. Don't think it's suitable. It does look a bit damaged to me. Quite a few marks on it. And scores here, which obviously equates to why it was leaking. Interesting bits, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. The new site, customcruisers.eu, if the French ever sort it out. But Prestish Shops, absolute garbage. Thank you.